What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a slow motion effect or a fast motion effect to your video in Sony Vegas Pro. Let's get into it. Alright, so right here I've got some free, no copyright, free stock footage so I can keep the money off this video. And we're going to make this bigger so you guys can see. We're going to get the brightest bit for you guys. So this is how fast it goes normally. It's not that fast, but you guys, let's just get rid of this. So here's how to add the slow motion effect. So what you want to do is hold on your keyboard Control, hold Control, and then go to the edge of your video, and you want to click and drag out. Click and drag out. The longer you drag out, the slower the video will be. So we're going to go up to 20 seconds. And we're going to view this. So you can't really tell the difference. It's still not that slow. So we're going to add a bit. Now you can see. Now you can see the footage is slowed right down. Alright, now I'm going to add fast motion to this footage. So I'm just going to play back the regular footage just to show you again how fast it usually goes. Okay. And now, fast motion, you hold Control again and you actually make the video smaller by dragging it to the left. So now, as you can see, it is sped right up, but it is going slower because it's taking a while to render. So yeah, that is pretty much the whole video. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you want more Sony Vegas tutorials, please hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any troubles. I'll be glad to help. And that is it from me. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.